Assalamu alaikum. Have you guys heard the story about a lion in a circus eating over and hurting his trainer, or a killer whale drowning the trainer? What's so special about this? So yesterday I met a brother who I was coaching remotely or video calls, but I haven't met him in years. So I met him yesterday. When I saw him, something struck me, and that was the notion of a lion in a circus. So what happens with a lion in a circus? So if you realize that psychologically the lion has been trapped or confused that he is dependent on the people in the circus. He doesn't realize the power that he has, and when he realizes that, he basically gets back to the trainer. Likewise, a lot of us have drawn onto us many psychological obstacles, fears, limitations that truly do not exist. And because of those things, we are limiting ourselves to achieve the best version of you. So I'm very excited to share with you guys. It's a limited offering, limited sharing. And Muslim Mastery is releasing their first course, Best Version of You. And the idea of that course is that you will get the whiteboard animation of the concepts and the mindset and the strategies that will make you achieve the best version of you. Now, I've contributed to a very important segment in that course, and that is about relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and how happiness can be derived from relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because look, if you think about people without faith, they do not tap into the notion of divine assistance. Because at the end of the day, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who has created this world for us. And part of that is that He has put certain principles that can get us the barakah, the blessings, the divine assistance that we can tap into for our success, to achieve our full potential and to achieve emotional mastery as well. So I'll be addressing those topics in that content on relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and how happiness is the closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The second thing I'm very excited about is that we're not only throwing out this content at you, but we will be there to support you in using the content and overcoming the obstacles to really achieve the best version of you. The way we will do that is we'll be doing live calls to address practical questions and any obstacles that you are facing while applying this content in your own life. And we'll be having a private exclusive Facebook group that we will not be using that for a content bombardment, but rather to achieve with you your next goals. So we'll be there to challenge you, to inspire you, to hold you accountable, and to give suggestions and strategies to overcome any obstacles that you have. So I look forward to seeing you behind the wall. We'll be doing the course together, and we'll be achieving the best version of ourselves together, bi'idhnillah. So see you soon, inshaAllah. Assalamu alaikum.